Excel Predicted Paper 1, May 2022, Question 5, Forming and Solving Equations. Here we have this question. Here are two rectangles. All measurements are in centimetres, good to know, they have centimetres written on the dotted line. The area of rectangle A, well at that point I would stop reading and I would work out the area of rectangle A. I've got to do 4x times 2.5x, well 2.5 times 4, if we double it and double it again, is 10, and don't forget the x, 2.5 times 4x. The area of rectangle A, that's that bit dealt with, is equal to, so 10x is equal to the area of rectangle B. So here I've got to do 7 times 2x minus 3. I don't know whether you would grid this or whether you do it in your head. 7 times 2x, we've got 14x. 7 times 3, don't forget it's times. I do see people occasionally write 10 here or 4. But 7 times 3 is 21. So clearly the area of rectangle B is 14x minus 21. I'd be tempted to now start solving this. As we can see, most of the x's are on the right. We've got 14 there, we've got 10 on the left. So I'd be tempted to subtract 10x from both sides. And whilst we're at it, we could add 21 to both sides as well. Minus 21 jumps to become plus positive 21, and 14x minus the 10x, we now have 4x. 4x is 21. I don't want 4 of them. 4x is 4 times x, so as we divide both sides by 4, that tells me x is whatever 21 divided by 4 is. 4's into 21 go 5, remainder 1. 4's into 10, 2, remainder 2. Quite an awkward question. Another 0 as a placeholder. 4's into 25. So x is 5.25. However, the question says work out the perimeter of rectangle B. Perimeter all the way around the outside. We have a 7. Don't forget the 7 the other side as well. I quite often see people forgetting to add both 7's in. We do know x is 5.25, and we know the length of this side is 2 lots of x, 5.25 minus 3. Double 5.25, 10.5 minus 3, 7.5. We could add that information onto the diagram, and for perimeter, all that we need to do, add them all up. 7.5 add 7.5 is a lovely complement of 15. 15, add the 7 and 7, so add 14, gives me my final answer of 29 centimetres.